Headline: Bitcoin Treasury Nakamoto down 98%. Still pays David Bailey lavishly. Published at 9:02 p.m., November 18, 2025. David Bailey's publicly traded Bitcoin, BTC Treasury Company, Nakamoto, Naka, has crashed so low that its investors are measuring its multiple to net asset value, MNAV, in fractions. The once high flyer, which just delayed its quarterly earnings report and associated SEC filings, has complained about complexity of accounting after losing over $23 million on digital assets, replaced a CEO at a company it is acquiring, and admitted that it had originally planned to pay a lavish 10 times multiple for one of Bailey's private businesses, BTC Inc. Meanwhile, the common stock that everyone else owns has plummeted from a 23 times MNAV to under 0.5 times, with shares 98% below their high on May 22, 2025. Despite holding 5,765 BTC, worth about $540 million in its so-called treasury, Nakamoto's market capitalization is less than $300 million. Its common stock has lost 1/5 of its value within the last month and 95% of its value over the past 6 months. The winner amid the downfall is Bailey himself. The common stock has plummeted from a 23 times MNAV to under 0.5 times, with shares 98% below their high. A $306 million valuation for BTC Inc. Bailey founded BTC Inc., which is set to benefit from an all-stock windfall from Nakamoto. Once cheaply priced at $1.12 per share when NAKA shares were soaring in the 30s, the $1.12 peg for Bailey's all-stock deal with BTC Inc. is now richly above Naka's penny stock valuation. Somehow, Bailey originally convinced Kindly MD, the public company that provided the Naka shares for Nakamoto to trade on the Nasdaq, to pay an industry-standard multiple, not to be less than 10, of the earnings before interest, taxes, depreciations, and amortization (EBITDA) of BTC and its subsidiaries. That 10 times multiple equals a lavish $306 million based on BTC Inc.'s most recently annualized $30.6 million EBITDA disclosure based on its 9-month earnings. Read more. Could a hostile takeover be the end of the line for Nakamoto? The all-stock deal will divide that $306 million figure by Kindly MD's $1.12 per share pipe price. In other words, $273 million. Even that reduction is still higher than NAKA's $253 million market cap as of publication time. Bailey is the founder of BTC Inc. This week, Brandon Green stepped in to replace Bailey as BTC Incorporated CEO. Bailey says he will remain as chairman and cited his focus on Nakamoto as a reason for the move. BTC Inc. completed an audit in September, a required step prior to Kindly MD Nakamoto exercising its option to acquire BTC Inc. This recording is AI-generated. Get more crypto news at protos.com.